Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me, your host Namil Khan, and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I'm here with a new amazing ERC20 based NFT program which name is Bulls and Bears World. So guys, it's very amazing because your risk value is very low and you can earn a very high profit from their NFTs. So guys, in this video I will give you the complete review about the BNBW. BNBW means Bulls and Bears World. So guys, see my complete video without skipping because there will be very amazing and very beneficial for you to see my complete video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first on your mobile screen, because as you know, I always come with a new amazing project where you can invest, where you can buy their tokens and NFTs, and you will be a millionaire in the future. So guys, let's start. Before starting my video in detail, first of all I give you little introduction about the B and BW. So here you can see that. Here you can see that, are you a bull or are you a bear? Or are you a bearish bull or a bullish bear? So bullish bear, sorry. So it's your choice. Here Bulls and Bears World are creating a members only business space for the network building and mutual growing of ideas, speculations, trading, and investments. The business club members are restricted to holders of at least one Bulls and Bears World NFT, and this is restricted to a maximum of 10,000 members, but likely a lot less in actual members. Most will want more than one of these wonderful NFTs. So here Bulls and Bears World kickstarts the club's scheme with a solid investment in Bitcoin for the potential benefit of all members. They think of the potential possibilities. So after this, here you can see that the Bulls and Bears NFTs are really something special for you to be involved in. The Bulls and Bears NFT series consists of three volunteers. Variation, sorry, plus limited special NFTs. The Bulls and Bears NFT series consists of the maximum of 10,000 NFTs, and the Bulls and the Bears NFT series is a high quality hand drawn character. Our Bulls and Bears are stored on as ERC21 ERC 721 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. So their ownership of the Bulls and Bears World NFT grants membership to their business clubs. The ownership of the NFT provides full commercial rights to the character. The individuality of each NFT is very wide, and some have limited difference that you need to find. So here you can also find the other information like the Bulls and Bears World Business Club. In the world of the Bulls and Bears, there are distinct difference in views. The membership club is to allow members to come together to network and share speculations, investment ideas, new projects, new ideas, DeFi projects, NFT projects, current and coming, so and currency markets, crypto in general, stock tips and idea, and commodities. So all members to come together to network, and they can share these the information regarding these all things. The idea that potential of the business network with a differing views and idea could build a very impressive community. It will be your world to grow and contribute to contribute to. So here you can subscribe for the latest update. You need to click on the subscribe. So after subscribing, you will find out each and every information regarding their project. How we here we will discuss how will the business club work. So Bulls and Bears, what business club will have its own members area to come together initially with a members website, forum, and Discord to build and network with other members with similar interest, ideas, and potentially differing views. It gain a well-rounded perspective. The club will be commenced with a strong club treasury holding Bitcoin as its investment for the members to manage and grow the Bulls and Bears World Club. So, what value do you think one Bitcoin will be worth in 5, 6, 8, or 10 years? Could it be $250,000 or $20,000 or $500,000, or is or is $1 million per Bitcoin possible? So here you will generate the huge profit by buying their NFTs. The Bulls and Bears World NFT contract has been designed to have a life limit for the distribution of the initial club treasury to all club members. However, holds a minimum of one NFT of 10 years subject to the membership voting, but will have a minimum lock of 5 years. See the additional details at the bottom of the roadmap page. So after this, what do you think about that being a member in the Bulls and Bear World could offer you? So after this, you can also meet their teams. So these are the hardworking teams which are working day and night to develop their NFTs project. So after this, we'll discuss how we can connect their project with our MetaMask. You just click on the connect, then you need to set your MetaMask Ethereum as a main network, and your MetaMask will be connected automatically. Then here you will find out 20 types of NFTs to mint. So you can select them and click on the mint. Then their price will be price is equal to zero point 0.1 Ethereum. So here with a very low price, the value of the your NFTs will be double. So here after this we click on the roadmap. So basically roadmap are the different plans that they set according to different time periods. So here you can see their roadmaps are here. They have roadmaps of the commence minting of collection. Club treasurer comments with 1 BTC, and here you will find out the in percentage that 20% of NFTs are sold, 35% NFTs are sold. Club treasury adds 4 BTC and 50% NFTs are sold for draw. The lazy lion giveaway. 75% for the club treasury ads and 6 BTC, and at 100% NFTs are sold. Club treasury adds 7 BTC and draw the Board app Yacht Club giveaway. So you can also find out the other roadmaps here. So after this, we discuss about their minting event giveaway. So their minting event giveaway as a bonus to the bigger supporters. At the completion of the minting event, the top 5 wallets holding in quantity Bear NFTs will receive a limited Bear NFT. The top 5 wallets holding in quantity Bull NFTs will receive a limited Bull NFT. The top 5 wallets holding in quantity Bull Bear NFT will receive a limited Bull or Bear NFT. So this is very amazing offer for their top 5 holders. So here you should read their note that one wallet cannot receive more than one bonus NFT. If a wallet qualifies for multiple bonus, it will receive one bonus and shall be removed from calculations in other options. So please read before joining the Bulls and Bears World. So here you can find out these these information regarding the project. The total collection will consist and be limited to 10,000 ERC 721 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, and 9,000 NFTs will be available for random minting at release, and the remaining 1,000 NFTs will be used for promotions, marketing, prizes, and for the team and advisor. The Bulls and Bears World Club treasury is being established at commencement of the release with 1 Bitcoin. The roadmap sets out stages of the increase in the club treasury according to the sale milestones reached. Any NFTs that remain unsold at the date 3 calendar month from the release date will be burned, and the total of the collection shall be limited to the remaining NFTs. The NFT contract has, so you can read it. You should read it carefully before read before joining the Bulls and Bears World. So after this we discuss about their membership. So here they are coming soon. After there we discuss about their fake. So these are the frequently asked questions that everyone should have in their mind to before starting their project. So after this we discuss about their social media like Discord and Twitter. So here you will find out their page. You need to subscribe and follow their social medias if you have interest to buy their NFTs and tokens. So it will be easy for you to knowing about every update regarding their project, and here you will find out each and every solution of the problem that you have regarding their project. So this is your NFT Twitter page, and you need to